Hello everyone. I'd like to demonstrate the order by ID or order by identifier data function. Now, this data function solves a common task where if I have a column of unique identifiers and I'd like to filter the data table to a subset of unique identifiers and also order the rows based on the ordering of the unique identifiers shown here, although there are other ways to accomplish this, the order by ID data function is a very handy solution to the problem. To begin, I'm going to open up the Lead Discovery ChemCharts visual, switch the chart type to data functions, and what I initially see are the list of data functions that are automatically loaded up from my configured Git repositories. To find the data function I'm interested in, I can simply type in the keyword order. Now we see the order by ID data function. When I click on that, I get the user interface for the data function. Now, fortunately, the ID column has already been selected. I can just paste in my list of identifiers, hit OK, and the data function executes. Now, when the data function executes, and you can see it's already finished, when any data function initially executes, the data function visual will automatically switch over to the Results tab. Now, the results are organized per data table. My data table's name is Table 1000. And if I click on that and expand it, then I can see here's the result of the data function that I just added. Now, if I want to apply the filtering and sorting, that's going to be applied to the output column code order that was created from the data function. You can see in the output control for the data function, we've got the result column is code order. Now, the code order contains the integers representing the ordering of the identifiers that I initially pasted in the text area. So if I want to filter the data table to just the matching identifiers and sort the data table based on the ordering of those identifiers, I can go up to the Run IronPython script, click that, and now I have filtered the data table to just the matching rows. Notice 18418, 18418, 16696, 16696. These are just the rows for which I had identifiers, and they appear in the exact order in which I pasted them. So if I want to now clear the results, all I have to do is delete the data function. So if I go up here, delete the data function, say OK, the table reverts back to the original ordering, and the results from the data function are cleared out of the document.